Hi, this is Rick from DuraCoat, and today we're going to be doing some DuraCoat liquid, and today we're going to be doing Magpul Flat Dark Earth. Let's get my goggles on here, and we'll start off by shaking up the DuraCoat. You would shake it for at least 3 minutes, and then we're going to mix it. And DuraCoat gets mixed 12-to-1 ratio, 12 parts of the DuraCoat and 1 part of the hardener, which would be 2 tablespoons of the DuraCoat, and a half a teaspoon of the DuraCoat hardener. And then we just swirl it around a little bit, or grab a soda straw if you got one. Mix her up pretty good. And it looks like we're ready to go to the spray booth. Okay, now that we're in the spray booth here, I want to talk a little bit about what we're using for a spray gun. This one is our gravity feed gun. It runs a 0.8 millimeter tip and nozzle size. And you can also use an airbrush, and the pressure rating would be about 20 to 25 psi. And let's spray. And here's the DuraCoat we mixed up before. Just put her in there. Put the cap on. Get the respirator on.
Okay, when we're spraying, nice, even layers. And then you're going to want to flash off for maybe 3 or 4 minutes. But we're going to keep going here. Give them up 3 to 4 layers.
Okay, now that we sprayed, we could let it sit overnight to dry, or we could put it in the oven to speed the dry time. So if you had any issues, we do have a few additives here that would help you. The first one here is DuraCoat Reducer, and that one would be for like orange peel, or if you think your DuraCoat's a little bit thick, you could put that in up to 10% of the volume. And the next one here, we have DuraCoat Retarder. That would be if you're getting some blushing or some dry mist. And that one too, you would use up to 10% of the volume. And if you come across a job you need cured out real quick, we have this one here called DuraCoat Quicken. That would cure your DuraCoat within 24 hours. All right. And now we're gonna put this aside here, wait for tomorrow, put that gun back together, and happy DuraCoating with you.